will inevitably start shrinking.
Jopur ma miangwen prabich ma wuok Nyamache karod bura ma Bobasi County ma Kisii oyudo omenda maromo siling milion 1.5 mar timo ohala mopogore kod pur mar chai. Grube maromo 16 mag mine kod ojende onyiso mor margi kod riwruok mar KTDA ka giwacho ni pesago dhi goyo gi jek mar medo yuto margi kaka jopur mag chai Kisii. Sudi Matara ma en apisa maduong' mar KTDA Foundation ema notelo chiwo omenda ne grubego e county ma Kisii.
These groups came together through training in 3 areas around social dynamics, where we were dealing with issues around conflict management. Then secondly, we looked at financial literacy. And thirdly, we trained them on entrepreneurship. And in line with the strategy and vision of KTDA Holdings, one of the things that we've said is that we need to put more money into the pockets of the farmer. Especially, we know about 90% of our farmers own 0.5 acres of land, so which means sometimes the tea income they get is not sufficient to cover all the social and economic needs that they have.
We as directors who came in for the last almost 1.5 or 2 years, we have been able to see the best way we can diversify some of incomes to our farmers.
Tunawahitaji si wategemee peke yake chai, wategemee pia biashara fulani. Na tunasema asante sana kwa KTDA, inatusaidia sana, inaendelea kusaidia, na hao wakitoka hapa vile unawaona wanaenda kuzalisha hii elimu wamepata kwa wenzio.
Zamani tulikuwa tunafanya biashara